Welcome back, folks. Before we head back into court, I want to bring in our guest for this hour. Joining us to discuss, criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor David Bruno. David, great to see you as always. Thank you so much for joining me on the program. And we're watching opening statements by the state. And, I was always taught from the very beginning that opening statements is really about telling a good story. That is what this prosecutor is doing, but there are varying ways you can tell the story. And she seems to be going into a lot of detail early on here as her first introduction to this jury. What do you make of her style of opening statement here?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the style, honestly. It looks like she's reading off of paper. She's very flat in the monotone as well. It's almost like that same tone all the way through. And, attention span, juries, this is their first impression, really, of the state's case. And this is a dramatic set of events. And you have co-conspirators, and you have liars, and you have all the things. I mean, this is exciting. But it's just like the delivery, not necessarily the substance. She is getting very granular, and that's certainly the intention of an opening statement, is to preview the evidence. This is what you're going to hear. But for me, I want a little more excitement, Michael, because those people have been in the box. It's been a long day. It's going to be a long week or two, and they're going to need something to keep their attention up.
Yeah, I would agree, and I agree with sort of monotone. And you want to really signpost, and you want to go up and down in your inflections, let them know what's important, what's not, what to look for. So I couldn't agree more. All right, David, stand by.